All right, this week's POW is the plumber question. So this is the carpenter sample. It says a carpenter charges $50 per hour and $25 for the service fee. So $50 per hour is going to go to 50H plus $25 for our service fee. So create a table, graph, and equation to represent the scenario, include labels. So our equation is simply going to be, and we're going to change this over to an x. So we're going to say our y equals 50x plus 25. Because it's $50 per hour, we don't know how many hours he'll work, plus his $25 service fee. So when we go ahead and make our table, our first column is going to represent how many hours worked. And then the y column is going to represent the cost. So we're going to have you include 3 different pieces for your table. So if the plumber works for 1 hour, he's going to charge us $50 times 1, which is 50, plus 25, which is 75. If the plumber works for 2 hours, we're going to do 50 times 2, which is 100, plus 25, which is 125. Let's just do 3. If the plumber works for 3 hours, we're going to do 50 times 3, which is 150, plus 25, which is $175 then. So on our graph, we're going to make this a first quadrant graph just because of the fact that the plumber is not going to work for negative hours, nor is he going to work for negative cost. So X across the bottom is our hours worked. And up the y-axis here is our cost in dollars. So hours worked, I'm just going to go ahead and divide these up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for our cost, I'm going to have to start at 0 on my chart, but I do need to go up to 175. So let's just go up by, 20s. So it's 20, 40, 60. This is going to be 180, 40, 60, 80, 100. 120, 140, 160. So we're going to go ahead and plot these. So 1 is going to be at $75. 70 would be right in the middle, so we'll go up a little bit. 2 is going to be at $125. So right up here. 3 is going to be at $175, which will be just shy of this. And if you look, if we connect these dots together, we're not going to actually hit the 0, 0 point. We're actually going to start up higher, because if X is 0 hours worked, if the plumber just comes out to our house, he may just look at something, he might not charge us for the hour, but he's still going to charge $25. So that 0.25 is still going to also be a point on our line.